go in this area, cut some hair. What's going on with this length here in relation to the length on the side? So if somebody is cutting layers, I just want to show you what could happen. I'm just doing 1/2 right now on one side, okay? So if you're trying to do a shag, possibly with some short bangs, and as I start to pull all of this hair towards this very, very front, and it's still the basis of a pivot point type of cut. There's everything coming to a spot. The difference, I would say, of like a teen magazine, putting the hair in a ponytail right here, and then whacking it off, you could just clasp that up a tiny bit and put it between your fingers and cut it off and look like a hairdresser instead of a teen magazine cut. But it would give you pretty much the same thing, right? So I just wanted to show you that the thing I'm always thinking about is where's my shortest length and where's my longest length on the head. So right now I'm trying to get a bit of length in the back, so I'm dragging everything forward. I want a ridiculously short bang, but how short do I want? I might want it to fall over the eyebrow, so I'm like, okay, if this is about where it'd have to be. So I could cut it literally this short. I could bring everything in and cut it that short and still have some bangs. So I just wanted to start with that first and just say, okay, let's put it all in our fingers, and then if I tilted the fingers this way or that way, it's gonna lengthen the back or shorten the front. But we're just going to kind of go in this area, cut some hair, and I can reposition just to get that into this spot. And this would be a speed technique, removing the majority of the bulk on the head, right? Everything was there. Anybody? We got some smiling going.
I just heard all the.
When I cut all that hair, really?
I'm looking at loving this.
Yeah, so right off the bat, everything could have been a ponytail. We put it between the fingers, we cut it just to make it. And so let's just kind of see what happens here. We really didn't lose any length here because this didn't even reach that, right? And so then as I pull it down like this, we've got these bangs, potentially, short bang. This would be that shag some of you guys were talking about, an extreme shag with short bangs, a mullet shag maybe. But I wish I had the time on camera to kind of style it and kind of show you. That's why I'm just kind of trying to show different angles so you can kind of see what happened here. And if we just did the same thing on the other side, it's got enough of a wave that you can kind of see those layers in there. And so if I did that on each side, that's a really fast cut, huh? And it kind of took care of everything from bangs to the sides and kind of came into here.